Hi everyone, it is so nice to see you all, and today is the day. O3-mini has been released. I know everyone's been waiting for it, I know I have, and I'm going to test it out. It's going to be fun. And before I forget, I'm just going to share my link so people on X can join, so I apologize. My first time using O3-mini, so... And, okay, there we go. Just wanted to post that. So, yes, we're here. O3-mini is available to use. We have O3-mini low, I guess, and O3-mini high. So, we are in for a treat tonight. And tonight, I think I was just going to continue off of my theme of my previous videos of giving it some problems in physics and astrophysics. I went digging through my graduate school archives, and I found problems like these and problems like these that I've dug up and didn't actually write down on paper, but I found the screen or the pictures I took of my solution process. So these are problems that, to my knowledge, don't exist anywhere on the internet in terms of the answers. So I think that'll be fun to test. And yeah, I think we should just get going, shall we? So the first problem I think that would be fun to test would just be the problem I actually gave the o3-mini and DeepSeek-R1 models a few days ago, or I guess it was yesterday. Was it this one? Yes, I think it was this one. So this was the problem in my most recent video, just uploaded this morning, I think. And yeah, we're just going to... I think it'll be a good test to see. I mean, the O1 models were able to do it, so I feel like O3 should handle it no problem. But you never know. Maybe, maybe O3-mini is not as good as we think it is. So I think that'll be a decent place to start. And yeah, I think this is where we're going to begin. So let me just check the chat here. Apologize, I don't see the chat going. If there are people here, I guess not. Okay, here we go. So this is the gravitational collapse problem that we were doing. And we're going to go. So let's go. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. All right, let's see here. Mapping the critical radius. So we know what the answers are. It should be like 9.4 speed of sound squared over what? Yeah, this value. Wow, I already got it. That's quick. Wow, 19 seconds. 19 seconds, okay. Does it get the radius? Okay. Wait, what? Did it actually do it? Okay, yes, so it does get that. Yep, okay, so it got that. Very good. And does it get the right expression for the energies? Oh, that's the right one for the kinetic energy. And that's the... Oh, wait a minute. Negative 729 over 24? Uh-oh. Oh, does that simplify? Yeah, because you just divide this by 3, right? Because this is divide by 3, you get 243, and then you get 8. Yep. So indeed. Wow. Very good, O3-mini. Very good, O3. It just did it in 20 seconds. 19 seconds. Wow. Very, very quick. So that... All right, maybe I shouldn't be too surprised. I mean, the O1 models and the DeepSeek-R1 models did that. So pretty good. The next problem I want to give it is a problem that is from a book that from grad school that I was using. So I'm thinking of pulling some problems or some variations of problems that show up in some of my graduate level textbooks. Let me just see if I can pull this one up. Where is it? Is this in chapter 3 or is this in chapter 4? I don't remember. So let's go chapter 3 really quickly. Or maybe it's chapter 4. Oh yeah, it's chapter 4. Okay, so here's the problem. Let's see. I don't want to give it the same exact wording though. I do want to change the wording of this problem a bit. So let me give you a second here. Ask it to solve string theory 1. I wouldn't be able to verify string theory because I don't know string theory myself. So I apologize, but we're not going to be asking it. We're not going to be asking it any string theory stuff because I wouldn't be able to tell you if it was correct. Okay, so the problem that I want to give it, let me type it up in Overleaf here. Okay, so I think I'll give it this problem. So yes, so we're going to give it this problem here that I did earlier, which took me a while to figure out how to do, but I realized, oh, you just have to realize that this term goes to 0 if Rmax goes to infinity. So this is a problem that I will type up. So just give me a second as I type it up, because I don't want it to have the same exact verbatim question that it's seen before. Let's see, what's my password? Okay, so go here, new project, my project. Go to say o3-mini testing. Okay. Here we go. And where are peoples? Where are the peoples? Sorry, guys, I don't know where I... Oh, are you guys in this chat? Yeah, you're over here. My bad. Could you try to make it solve an unsolved problem? Like P versus NP, maybe? Like, or a Millennium Prize problem? What's a Millennium Prize problem? I'll give it a Millennium Prize problem, but I don't think it'll come up with the answer to any of these, personally. What do we have here? Navier-Stokes equations, Yang-Mills mass gap, Riemann hypothesis. Okay, P versus NP. So we can find this. The Riemann hypothesis. Should I just say prove the Riemann hypothesis? It'll probably just be like, I cannot do that. Okay. I say prove the Riemann hypothesis. No, actually, maybe that's too obvious, right? But what happens if you just say that? Prove the Riemann hypothesis. I guess the worst thing that's going to happen is just it's going to tell me, like, nope, can't do it. All right. Bang. Reasoning. Here we go. Unraveling, blah, blah, blah. Century of mathematics. Navigating the process. Okay. 11 seconds. Despite expensive, blah, 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 no one's been able to prove it. What is the Riemann hypothesis? Can be analytically continued to why is it important? Deep connections, current state of affairs. Given that the Riemann hypothesis remains unproven, I cannot provide a valid proof. The problem has resisted all attempts at a conclusion. Any purported proof that you might encounter should be met with extreme skepticism until it has undergone rigorous peer review and is accepted by the mathematical community. Okay, so they're like, nope, can't do it. So we're not there yet, guys. We are not at ASI yet. Is the rate limit still 50 for o3-mini high? To be honest, I don't have any clue. I might just hit my rate limits tonight, and then we're going to be like, oops, couldn't do it. Okay, so... Oh, you know what? There are some problems in Knuth that, like, may not be solved. Hold on. Let me see if I have some problems in Knuth here. Oh. One sec, guys. So if you don't know, I recently added the art of computer programming into my library here. And Knuth has his own, like, scale for problems. And he says there are some problems in these books that are research problems that, like, have not been solved. So I'm wondering, maybe we can encourage it to solve one of these, like, really, really hard problems. So he says here, I don't know if you know what Knuth says on these problems here, but he talks about his scale of difficulty. And what do we got here? Let's see here. Sorry, let me make my screen bigger. One sec, guys. I apologize. I don't mean to delay. I'm just trying to make my screen bigger. Nope. Please, I just want to make my screen bigger. Okay. So yeah. So I don't know if you see this here, but Knuth says in his what you call book here, I don't know if you can see that, but it says 50 is a research problem that has yet to be solved. That, like this one right here. Gosh, that does not look clear at all. How do I get it to focus? How do I get it to focus? Can you see that? It says 50, a research problem that has yet to be solved. Ooh. Sorry, you can't see that. But maybe we just give it a level 50 problem from Knuth. If there's any level 50 problem in here. So let's see here. How do I make my screen small again? There we go. Better lighting. I need better lighting. That's true. Can I do this? I'll try one more time. Let's see if I can get this thing to show up one more time so people can actually see what it says here. Okay. Can people actually see what that says? Ugh. Nope. That looks really bad. Whatever. We're gonna have to try and just work with it. Okay. I said we're gonna do astrophysics, but I suppose we could also just give it the following thing. Oh, we can't put screenshots in this thing yet, can we? Oh no. Oh shoot. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see here. Yeah, I can't put a screenshot in here, can I? Oh, I can't. Darn. Okay, so maybe I just get Claude to transcribe this into LaTeX really quickly. One sec, y'all. Let me just transcribe this question. Let's see. Transcribe this problem into LaTeX. And let's see what it says. Okay. Perfect. So it's been transcribed. Let's see here. Okay, right here. Determine an expression for the luminosity L of R by the Rutherford law. Determine expression for luminosity L of R that is predicted by. How does this problem get stated? Sorry. Determine expression for the luminosity that lies. Okay, that lies within. Let's see. Express your answer in terms of y equals 7.67 r over r e raised to the 1/4. Okay. So we're gonna go with that problem here. Laying out the options. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're basically giving it this problem right here. Okay, so this is the problem that we're asking it to do. We have to integrate this function. Oh my gosh. Did it do it that quickly? We're making it integrate this function, basically. And it's been many years since I solved this problem, but I'm thankful I actually still had the solution with a picture in it. So this is the answer right here. It's this really long expression. You have like 7 different integrals you have to do here. And it looks like it may have just done that. Okay, let's see. How far did it go? Oh, snap. With property, you can write blah, 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 blah. Oh! I don't think it got it, guys. Oh! L of R. No way, that's not the right answer. I actually know the answer is not this. Wait, unless 1 minus e, blah, 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 blah. Wow. So what did it do wrong here, actually? We have renamed the integration variable y. So, okay. This is going to be hard because now we have to figure out where it went wrong here. So we have given o3-mini a problem that it did not get on the first try. So haha, we are still superior. Yay, go humans, team humans all day. What do we got here? What's it trying to do? It's trying to be clever. So I think it has the right idea. It has 2 pi 0 to r I r dr. Yes, so that's the right idea. We're just using different, that's the right starting point. L infinity, okay, expressed in terms of this variable, right? So you have to do all this sort of integration stuff. Man, it's a lot of work. There was a lot of work for this problem. In math, it's worse than O1. Really? It's worse than O1 in math? Good to know. So you have this. Do we just get the y the 7 integral? Yeah, wait, whoa. So we do have this integral here. Wait, it gets this expression. It gets the e to the negative y prime to the 7 dy prime. Wow, it actually wrote it the same exact way I did. And you have y is equal to 7.67 r of r. Okay, so it's set up the right expression here. Does it have the right factors? It also has the right factors here. That's really interesting. You see that? It has the same, it has the right coefficient. It has the right integration here. But then it looks like it tries to be a little bit too clever here. It looks like it tried to be a little bit too clever, if I'm not mistaken. Where did it go wrong here? Because it has to do all this. It has to do this integration by parts. It has to do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 integration by parts. And you have to get sort of all this stuff here. So what did it do here? Oh, did it try to go to infinity? That's the issue. Oh, no, it's still the right thing, but no, that's 554. Wait, that's correct. But then y to the 7 dy prime. Oh, so you have L infinity is equal to this. Okay, wait. Sorry, it's been a long time since I've done this. So wait, that's the luminosity inside here is this. So that's to infinity. But then if you want it inside projected radius of r, you have to do total luminosity. An acceptable answer is therefore L tot gamma 8. What's this gamma? Wait, what's the gamma 8? Wait, what is that? Oh, it left it in terms of the integral? Oh, that's cheating. That is so cheating. It didn't actually. Oh, you. That is so cheap. So it was like, okay, I see what it did here. It tried to be sneaky. It was like, let's just call the integral this. So it said basically, let's just call this integral. Let's just call that, some expression, and that's not actually integrated. I don't know if I want to say that's clever or if that's being too cheeky. I should be like, you should actually evaluate that, yo. It just knows what the integral it's using. That's a clever way to solve the integral. It just knows what the integral values to complete. Gamma is incomplete. It's refusing to fully evaluate the integral. No, we're going to say, no, fully evaluate this integral. Fully evaluate your final answer. Let's see. What if you prompted finish? Yeah. Fully evaluate your answer and integrate the incomplete gamma function and integrate gamma term. Sorry, let's just say, can we copy that? Gamma, let's say 7.67 times r over re raised to the 1/4. Okay, we're gonna give another prompt here. Really does have a strange thing though. It doesn't have a big model smell. Integrating the gamma function. Okay, yes, please work that out here. Let's see. We're gonna make it do this integral. I don't care that it is refusing. Substituting this back in. Oh, don't you be cheeky. No. You're just going to leave it in a sum? you cheeky guy. You cheeky guy, you. How dare you? All right, this thing is being this thing's being very obstinate. It was like, I don't want to do 8 integrals, Kyle. Like, I don't want to do it. I'm like, I did it. I did it right here. So all that high compute, where's your high compute now? Okay, so, but like, see, is that right, actually? So you do y to the 7, wait, so you basically just have to factor out e to the negative y, L tote, 1 minus, okay, I mean, technically that's correct, because you'll have, this is y to the 1 over, yeah, so this whole thing is y right here, I believe, right? Is that what we defined it to be? I'm just checking really quick. Yeah, we defined y to be this. So, okay, it is technically correct. It is technically correct because this is the whole expression right here. Like, this is the right answer. But wait, what's the factor it has on the front? Oh, and also left everything out here. Yeah, because it does 8 times 50, 40. So you get 4320, which is what that is right there. So that's where that term is. I just left it as L infinity. Is it 7.67 to the 8? Yep, r squared. Let's make sure I got all the factors right. Sorry, guys. Let me just put this on the other side of it. Let's be very, very picky here. Make sure I got every little factor right. So it has 50, 40 times 8. So that's 4320. That's good. 1 factor of pi, i.e. Oh, sorry. I times e to the 7.67 re squared. That's correct. 7.67 raised to the 8 is equal to L infinity. So that's that. 1 minus e to the negative y. That's correct. And then you do the sum of, this is y raised to the power k over k factorial. Okay, so. Okay. If you were a teacher, would you give it an A+? No. All right. We'll say it one more time. Evaluate L of R completely term by term. Do not leave your expression in the form of an unevaluated integral or sum, or an expression that involves a sum. Explicitly write out your answer as L, supposed to write your term by, yeah, with all terms accounted for. Okay, here we go. Third time's the charm. Third time is the charm. Please, we're gonna say you're not getting away this easily. Okay, you are not getting away. You are going to do this problem, or else. No, don't you dare. Oh, thank you, thank you. Whew. Okay, there we go. Oh, that looks ugly. That's more like it, but that still looks, well, this is not, one sec. Put this in, where's my Notion really quickly? Okay, let me get my Notion page here really quickly. And let me just open up a new document so I can use this. Okay. Math, does this work? Oh, it's like pause error. Okay, let me just copy that and be like, all right, write this. I'm not going to waste another one of those calls. Let's see, write this expression in LaTeX. Okay. Okay, so we got this. Please, please, please. We'll give it to DeepSeek. I see people saying let's give it to DeepSeek. So, express your answer in closed form. There we go. That's the right term. Thank you. Okay, so let's copy that. Where's my overleaf? If I remember where I put the thing. Ah, here we go. O3-mini testing. And then we go down here. And then we go paste. And then we go. All right. The final answer. Oh, looks, there's a lot of errors there, but let's see. The final answer is this. So what did it get here? Oh, it actually didn't simplify it to write it as y, but oh, this thing is pretty nasty. But it is doing that whole thing. So, okay. Actually, 7.67 over 120. Oh, it's actually evaluating. Now it's actually evaluating everything. Like I said. Oh, good on you. Okay. It did get it, but I think that we can move on. And we can ask DeepSeek now. Can DeepSeek do it? Because if DeepSeek can do it, if DeepSeek can do it in one shot, I don't know, man. Like, we're going to have to ask some serious questions. We're going to have to ask some serious questions in terms of, like, why are we spending this much money when we can do it for free? You know? Whoa, what the heck? What happened to my DeepSeek page? Oh, that was weird. Okay, here we go. We're going to give it to DeepSeek. Let's just see if DeepSeek can handle it. All right. Okay. Does it know how to do this problem? Okay. Remember, we're looking for something that looks like... Oh, not like that. Ugh. I'm losing track of everything. Where's my pictures? Was it this one? Yeah, that one. We're looking for something that looks like that. Something that looks like that. Okay. Oh, okay, that's a good sign because it's doing this drdy prime stuff, which is good. Like right here. That seems good. This expression. Wait, hold on. Let's make all substitutions correctly applied. First integrand becomes, putting all together. Compute the constants first. That is a lot of terms. I had so much patience to do this problem. I'm pretty impressed with myself. Kyle, you should also use Quen because it has max reasoning free like DeepSeek. Okay, I'll take a look at Quen. There's so many different models, guys. I'm sorry. There's so many different models. Quen 2.5 max. What is this? Quen chat. Can we go to Quen chat here? I guess this was supposed to be a Quen chat, but now I guess this was supposed to be a what do you call OpenAI thing, and now we're getting DeepSeek and Quen in here. But I guess that's how it goes. Access to verify. I have to make an account for Quen. I have not used Quen. Oh, here we go. Okay. I have not used Quen before, guys. So here's Quen 2.5 max. All right. Let's see here. I'm going to put the expression in closed form. Hopefully that doesn't throw it off too much, but I'm going to ask it to do that as well. And I keep losing the chat. Sorry, guys. Let me hear. Oh, here you guys are. Good to see you all. Okay, so was that the term people said? We got to leave it in closed form. I think that was the expression. Yes. There we go. All right. First time I'm using Quen, guys. Here we go. First time I'm using Quen. I hope you're proud of me. I am expanding my horizons. This was supposed to be an o3-mini stream, and now this is going to be a Quen stream. So let's take a look here. Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay. Yes. Oh, wait a minute. Is that correct? I think it's missing a factor there, is it not? For our case, gamma. Oh, it's doing the same thing again. No, that... No way. No, that's not... That's not it. Gamma and related to the incomplete gamma function. Substitute. Okay. Evaluate the incomplete gamma function in closed form. Express your answer. Explicitly write out each term of the, each term. I'll just say that. Okay. As far as I know, that's why they compare it to 4.0. Oh, really? What the heck? In the Quen series, capable of... Actually, seems like it's doing... What's going on here? Oh, man. Substitute back. Did it just die? Oops. Oh, no, never mind. It didn't die. DeepSeek is still going, though. DeepSeek has been, like, just chugging along here this whole time. Oh, why is people... Oh, QWQ is okay. Sorry. Gosh, I don't know, guys. I don't use Quen. I don't use any of these things. I am a nub. Okay. So how do I get Quen? I was using Quen a few weeks ago, wasn't I? It's on Hugging Face, right? Okay, let's go to Quen and 2.5 vision language. This is long context. Wait. No, we are going to go back to o3-mini here. Oh, what? Oh! Oh! Ultra. Wow! It got it, yo. Well, it did it in the chain of thought. Yo, it got it. Hold on. Hold the phone. Let's double check here. Yeah, L total 1 minus e to the negative y, 1 plus y, y. Oh my goodness gracious. It got it, yo. Well, let's see the final answer. Oh, I didn't write the final answer out. Man. Okay, I mean, it got it in the chain of thought. That's actually really interesting. It got it in the chain of thought. Didn't get it in the, or didn't evaluate all the way in the final answer. I guess because I didn't say to express it in closed form, but hey, that's pretty cool. I'm pretty impressed here. 1 minus e negative. Oh, wait. Actually, are we missing a factor here? Or am I missing a factor? Oh, no. Please don't tell me I'm missing a factor now. Is there an extra 1 that's missing? Okay, hold on. 1 minus e to the negative y plus. I'm actually confused here. Let me take a look at the book. I'm sorry. I'm going to take a... Oh, you're kidding me. Don't tell me I forgot a term. Did I seriously forget a term? Oh my gosh. That's embarrassing. I forgot a 1 here, guys. The answer does have a 1. Ugh. How did I miss that? Now I'm mad at myself because I'm like, how did I miss that term after all these years? There was a 1 here in the answer. Where did it fall out? I'm actually like really ticked. Sorry, now I have to like check on myself here. 50 e to the negative 50 40 e to the negative y. What am I missing here? 50 40. Oh, right there. Is that it? I think that's it. I think I forgot to... But wait, why is that minus e to 0? Okay. Yeah, I should have that other term here, I think. There's just so many minus signs. I think it comes in right there. Yeah, okay. Gosh, yo. Kyle gonna be replaced. Damn L, Kyle. Yeah, years later. AI wins over humans once again. Yeah, man. I got trashed, yo. So the final answer does indeed have this expression. So hold on. Let me just take a picture of that. So if you see that here, it does have, this is what the final answer looks like in the book. Oh my gosh. Where did I miss that? I'm so ticked now. Like, you have no idea how annoyed I am with myself. I'm like really annoyed. Why is there a minus? I don't know. Ah, forget it. It was close enough. Great. You failed us, Kyle. You failed us. I couldn't even get it right. I asked the O3 model to recite the number pi to 10 decimal. I couldn't even get it right. Stochastic parrot trumps PhD. Yes, yes, yes. Let's all laugh that I left out a 1 there. Let's all laugh at the poor guy. Okay. So, all right. Well, O3. Well, now we know that DeepSeek-R1 could do it. That was good. This is not correct though. So, I am better than Quen 2.5 Max. Huzzah! Go to the piano. You will feel better. I'm cool, guys. I'm chilling. I ain't that mad. I ain't even that mad. So, what else here? What else? We gotta give it some problems. Yeah, actually, what I wanted to do was I know for a fact I got this one right because I know for a fact I did this question right. Same book, different problem in the chapter. This is a really not so fun integral to do. I mean, you can do it, but it's just not as fun. It actually involves this paper here. Pretty sure it's in the training data. Even if it's in the training data, like the steps to solve that problem are not available in the book. Did O3 solve it? Yes, O3 did solve it. People are asking, did O3 solve it? The thing is, guys, is that even if the text is available, the text doesn't show you how to do the problem. The text just tells you, prove this, right? And what it did was actually go through the whole process of proving this is this. Is that easier or harder? I'm not so sure if that's the case. But nevertheless, based on the way I did it versus how it did it, it actually did it correctly, as opposed to just, it's one thing to just state the answer and say, oh, this is the final answer. But it's another thing to actually show me the logical continuation of everything and evaluating, these integration by parts terms. So very good, very good. Ooh, why don't we ask R1 to create a problem that O3 should solve and vice versa, and you moderate? Okay, before we do that, I do want to hand over, I did want to do a problem that has been on my mind, and I want to see if o3-mini can get it, because it's supposed to be really good at coding. So here is what I'm thinking. So let me see here. Let me bring it over here for a quick second. Is it over here? No, it's not. Okay, that's fine. So I have an idea. I want to see if it can reproduce this result that I've been thinking about. Let's see here. Let's see. Just give me 1 second, guys. I want to send myself a picture if I can do it. Let me just airdrop this picture to myself and see if it can do it. Yes, okay. So here's what I'm thinking. So there's this figure in this book that I saw recently. It's very related to the research I did for my PhD to make this plot. But basically, this book has the data. The data is publicly available. You can get this data, and you can ask it. I want to see if it can recreate this scatter plot and determine what the right values for this fit should be. So let me see here. Bayesian. See statistics for astrophysical data. Where's that book? Oh, here it is. Yeah. So I really want to see if it can just take this data set and do it real quick. Apologies. Let me just go here. Where's that GitHub? Oh, here we go. This should be it, right? Astrostatistics, no. What was that book? What was that book? Yeah, Bayesian models. Oh, Bayesian models for astrophysical data. GitHub. Okay, here we go. So I want to get this data real quick. I want to see if it can do this. And sorry guys, I don't know where I put my chat, so apologies. I'm going to try and pull it back up. Oh, you're over here. I always keep pulling you guys over here though. Yeah, it's worse in coding. Really, it's worse in coding? O1 Pro, I haven't hit my limits on O1 Pro. I know that's not, like, I have not hit my limits in O1 Pro ever, to my recollection. So I think that's a good thing. But yeah. Sorry, that didn't answer your question. Where's the data though? Oh, it's probably in the data folder, Kyle. Of course. Of course. Of course. Yes, that's what I want. I want the data. Okay, so you have MGER. Okay, so I think if I have the M sigma data right here. The thing about this data is that I actually think it's incorrect. I think they flipped the error in X and Y. Yeah, okay. Let me go to Tremaine 2002 et al. M sigma relation. Okay. This is a very, very famous paper. Oh, are you kidding me? Come on. No, I need to access this paper. You cannot tell me the Tremaine paper is not available. Thank you. So I want to see if it can fit this function. So chi-squared over beta squared EYI. The nucleus based on minimizing whose pressure we use. 1 sigma isn't that. Why are the slopes different? Isn't O1 Pro just O1 with more inference, like o3-mini high, like it's O1 high? O1 high. So what's better, O3-mini high or what else? O1 Pro? It's hard to tell. I mean, DeepSeek, everything is free, yeah. You know what, Kyle? Compare O3-mini high and O1 Pro for your coding question. See which does it better correctly. Yeah, I do want to do that. Sorry, I just want to see if I can get it to, if I can remember what's the right formula I need to give it. Can be written if you set beta, blah, 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 y minus a. I think this is, yeah, I think this is what I want, minimizing this. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we want to fit this relationship here. Alpha plus beta log sigma over sigma naught. Can it do the... Oh, I forgot to bring the book. The book said exactly what I needed to do, and now I'm forgetting how to do it. Okay, I left it in my office. We shall use it in 5.2. Let me just go down really quickly to see if they did it one more time here. Oh, the code probably would show me what the form was that they tried to optimize. Yeah, I should probably do that. The problem is that I can't use screenshots for O3. I would do that, but I don't have screenshots here. Using the, we get that, beta is 4, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Let's go back up. We shall use both approaches. Ask them to use the estimator. Okay, so let's go to chapter 10. I think chapter 10 would have the code. Code 1. Okay, we can read it in R. Yes. Okay, so what did they try to normalize here? Well, is that it? Epsilon 1 over square root tau, intrinsic scatter, gamma prior, likelihood function, diffuse beta. Huh. Okay, you know what? Maybe this is actually a good test. Maybe I'm just gonna let it normalize it itself. You know, I don't actually remember the formula, but if it's smart enough, let's see. If it's smart enough, it should be able to figure it out. I'll just say we need to get it in this form. Like we want to fit this function basically, and we know there's measurement uncertainty in the x and the y. The dependent and the independent variable has errors in it. And we want to do basically a model inference fit, like a maximum likelihood estimator. So, okay, we're just going to do that. So I'm going to type up the problem, and I'm going to ask it to be good. So let's oh, shoot. Get my Notion out of here. Okay, so how do I want to prompt it? Okay. Write a Python program that will determine the best fit parameters. Let's go here, math mode. Can I get math, please? Ah, yes. I love Notion so much. Alpha and math inline beta. That satisfy the relationship. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so we need to write that. So I do, okay. Log base 10 of m, let's say ph over m o dot. People don't know this. This was actually what I did for most of my PhD. Just putting dots onto this graph. Beta times log sigma over 200 kilometers per second. So apologies, guys. We're just going to be giving it this relationship that relates the supermassive. It's the mass of a supermassive black hole with the central stellar velocity dispersion of a galaxy. Let's see here. So I get that. The data is as follows. Obs x, so obs x should be the, yeah, log black hole mass, error in black hole mass, yes. Okay. Data is as follows. This, error while, error on log velocity dispersion. And then what? Print out your best fit values of, get these two here, and make a plot of, let's see, on the y-axis, and wait, actually I think this is flipped. Wait a minute. Y should be the, yeah, y should be the other way around, no? Wait a minute. Do log m sigma. Sigma should be on the y-axis, right? Oh, did the authors code this incorrectly? Hold on here. Wait a minute. I think the authors coded this wrong. What? Am I crazy? Because you do... Because black hole mass should be on the y-axis, no? That's usually how you plot it. Yeah, this is y, this is x, but they're saying it's flipped. Huh. I actually never noticed that. Okay, we're gonna have to double check that now. Great. Great, it's never that easy, guys. It's never that easy. It's always like, there's always a mistake, and I have to fix it, and it's like, blah. It's like, blah. I don't like it. Well, I'll ask R1 of the authors. Let's see. Is this... Okay, let's see here. This is supposed to be... I'm just going to copy... This is for open source, so let's just get... Let's get the code's opinion here. O3... Well, let's see. Actually, will O3 recognize there's an error? I'm curious. Will it notice that there's an error in these instructions? If it's really smart, would it recognize that? Maybe we should just let it... Let's just say that. And plot... Yeah, make a plot on the y-axis and log... what am I doing here? Crap, sorry. Let me... All right, we're gonna leave it incorrect for now because I want to see if it's gonna be smart enough to recognize the math. Okay. Yeah. And log stellar velocity dispersion on the x-axis. Okay, so also shade the area around the best fit line corresponding to 50% and 95% confidence intervals. Okay. All right, so we're going to give it this, and we need to give it data. Sorry, let's give it the data too. Where is the data? I was just looking at it. The data, where are you? Data, where are you? I'm such a good singer. Not. Okay, where are you? Oh, there you are. Data. Okay. Is this the right thing? Yeah, I think they effed up, yo. I think they effed up. But we can go try. Let's just dump the data there. Wait, that's not how it goes. Ops should be like that, right? Yeah. I Hang on, let me just download that. Let me just download that thing. Open up my M Sigma. Welcome to numbers. Thank you. Create the spreadsheet, yo. Okay. Oh, here it is. Here we go. That's better. Okay, I don't need the final column. Actually, that's the galaxy type. Don't need that. Can we remove this column, please? Delete, 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 delete. Okay, here we go. All right, so I think the data was flipped, actually. But if it is flipped, it'll do it wrong or right. I don't know, maybe it'll recognize it. Let's see. Let us see. Let us see if it will recognize the fact that this is actually flipped, and that if it will catch me. If it recognizes it, then I will be very impressed. I will be very impressed if it actually can tell me, hey, actually, I think your values are kind of messed up, yo. It should actually be the other way around. So let's see how this goes. All right, new o3-mini high. That's all that. Wow, that's a lot of stuff there. That looks really badly formatted. I'm actually kind of nervous. Should I fix that? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just gonna let it fly for now. We're gonna let it fly. Let's see, like Nano GPT. Okay, mapping relationship. Let's see here. Taking into this, reevaluating whether the data rethinking whether data are assigned correctly given the unusual velocity dispersion values. The numbers suggest there might be a mistake needing validation. It's catching on. Let me see. It's crucial to confirm the label. Blah blah blah. Forming blah blah blah. I'm thinking the formula for regression should be this instead of this. Lines by relationship. Reassess data. I'm thinking if reps might represent instead of. Ooh, yeah. It's picking up on the fact that it's funky. Whoa, that was so quick. Wait a minute. We use the orthogonal distance regression package that both, if the data gives, okay. Whoa. Did it actually recognize that, or did it fail? Can I see your thought process again? Confirming data rows. It's becoming clear that object aligns with this, ensuring oh. It looks like it's not getting it. Oh, it looks like it was on the right track, but I think it may have gone back on itself here. Because obs x aligns with log mbh. Uh-oh. So I think it didn't, I think it was on the right track, and now I think it didn't get it now. Oh, darn. I mean, maybe I shouldn't have been too mad because it's like, it was given the wrong thing, but let's just go ahead here. Let's go check. Hold on, let me just go check Colab really quick. I want to plot it out and see if it got the right answer. And then if it didn't, then we'll just tell it the right headings and stuff. So let's connect here. And let's put up Colab. Okay, let's see. Does this even run? First off, does this even run? Let's go check. Ooh, it actually did run, but those parameters are, wait a minute, huh? That's actually really good. Wait a minute. No, wait, that's actually really bad. Hold on. Yeah, no, that's it definitely messed up somewhere here. It actually, I mean, it did find the best fit line. It just fit it to the wrong variables, actually. So given the inverted data set, it actually did the task right for, I mean, the plots, the point should fall within the scatter, right? So this is not the correct line, but it's not bad. So maybe I guess if I gave it the actual data correctly, it should, yeah, it should do that. You can run the code on Canvas. Huh. I can? Sorry. If I did that, then I messed up. So let me change stuff around then, because it looks like the data. Can you compare to DeepSeek? Okay, we'll give DeepSeek the same problem without the correct data format. Let's see if DeepSeek picks it up. If DeepSeek picks up that it's actually not formatted correctly and plots it, like corrects you know, the data because it's inverted improperly, then I'll be very, very impressed. Compared to I'll do O1 too. I'll do O1 too. Don't worry. We'll have the thinking going on here for DeepSeek while we have O1 Pro take a shot at it. Okay. Just checking in. What do you think of o3-mini? Hard to say. It feels a lot like O1, just faster. Yeah. Let's see here. Does this, the errors in both suggesting robust method? Okay, it doesn't seem like it's actually, what's going on with DeepSeek? It's like not really generating anything. I don't think it's catching up on anything. What happened to DeepSeek? Did I break it? DeepSeek's not going, guys. Oh, here we go. Now it's going. Okay, first I need to plot the data. First I remember when the blah, 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 I'm not familiar with the exact methods. When we accept linear regression. That's actually, yeah, that's a good idea. Wait, X here is, but looking at the data columns, wait, the problem says, wait, the problem states, wait, the user says this. I think it's getting confused. Data columns is like, oh, so wait, the model uses this person adjust data accordingly. Wait, let me express the model, but the data, it's going to be X, we need this, but wait, the problem statement, the relationship is given this. No, wait, no, the problem says obs X, which is obs Y, which is, uh-oh. It's getting confused. Alternatively, we can rearrange this. So, okay. Is it catching on here? Linear regression with errors. That's the right approach. This is the right approach. It is a linear regression with errors in both dimensions here. Oh, wait. It's transforms version. Wait. Let's see. I don't think it's picking up. Kyle, please try coding problems related to math or math lab. Ooh, a lot of demands, yo. But okay. Just give me a sec. Mapping out regression insights. Asking about the upper limit for the mass of a single star. It's around like, I don't think any stars more than 60 solar masses have been found. So, okay, it's still going here. Kyle's thoughts on Mars pick. I'm afraid I don't know what you're referring to. I probably should, but oh, here we go. Reading the data. Okay, so O1 Pro has done it. La 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 la. Wait a minute. Maybe it. Oh, maybe it figured it out. Huh. What the script does defines the model. Blah blah blah. Wait, no, wait. Okay. So where is my collab? That Arizona image thing, the 3-kilometer perfect square. Oh, I don't know actually what is going on here. Arizona. Yeah, I'm actually not so sure what you're referring to. I'm sorry. This thing is still going. It's pretty crazy. I want to just find my... Where is my thing here? Yeah. Okay, so let's go back to my code. So this is O1. I'm just going to say this is O1's solution here. O1 Pro. Okay, what does it do? Ooh, lots of errors. O1 gave me lots of errors. That's not good. What did it find though? Yeah, no, it didn't find the right. Well, it's fitting to the right. The data is clearly incorrect. So like it fit to the wrong thing. Did it get was it comparable to what O3, O1, yeah, O3 got? Negative 1.23 and then 0.20. Huh. Alpha is very different on this one. Interesting. Okay. Goodness. What is going on here? First, we're looking at the data table, but this will take some time to learn, but this is probably, we have to include it. Now, putting all this into code. Oh, here we go. It's actually putting it all into code here. Look at it go. It's putting in all the data points in vain. Okay, so I think it'd be good if I actually gave it the data properly. Let's see here. So this should be, I believe this should be obs y. Obs y, air y, obs x, air x. Yeah, that should be, yeah, that makes more sense because obs x should be, wait. No, wait a minute. Am I confusing myself here? What is going on? This is in log, right? Where'd that photo go? Yeah, no, wait. Black hole mesh should be... What is going on? I'm confusing myself now. Okay, hold on. Let me go back to this data set here. Oh, there's another M sigma CSV. That would be better. M dyne MBH sigma ER sigma. Yeah, 6.61 is the, okay. Okay, go here. Maybe we should just ask if they did it right here. Obs X. Yeah, no, they messed up. It should be the other way around. Okay. Oh, it's finally here. What do you know? It is finally here. I love that. Yeah, like how it's spinning up supercomputers all over the world with faulty data. What do you want to ask here? What were you asking, students? Sorry. Kyle, in a separate, can you please test O1 Pro Mode and O3 NVIDIA's character coding PhD level questions, STEM, Calc, and see what model is best? Yeah, I mean, we can do that. It's just a lot to do at the moment. But I'm impressed that it is... yeah, I'm impressed that these things are able to go, like, think as long as it can. Like, my goodness, look how long this thing thought for. Okay. I should probably change the response, though. Yes, I saw your thing, student. I will do that. I think that is a good idea, but it's going to take some time. And I'm also leaving tomorrow for a trip this weekend, so that's why I wanted to get the stream out tonight, because I will not be here this weekend to do more streams. Okay, DeepSeek-R1. Let's see how you do with this coding task. That was pretty beastly. I mean, I know it got the wrong instructions, but even still, like, it's probably pretty cracked. So let's see here. And I have so many freaking windows and I don't know where everything is. I apologize. Where is my windows? Oh, here it is. Perfect. Let's merge these two, then put back the code here. Okay, so let's go to DeepSeek. Actually, if I'm correct, oops, sorry. If I'm correct, we just need to flip everything that's X and Y, if I'm not mistaken, to get the right answer. So let's check something here. Deek. What's Deek, Kyle? Okay, here we go. What do we get? Okay, so it fitted. I mean, wow. Yeah, I mean, wait, negative 1.231. Did it get the same thing as o3-mini? Wait a minute, they both got this actually. And so both O1. This was o3-mini up here. This top one. Negative 1.2314. Yo, did they get the same? Yo, they basically got the same thing. That's crazy. Dang, that thing is crazy, man. That's amazing. So I think all we need to do is just flip what's obs y and what's obs x in each of these, and then we'll get the right answer. I gave it the wrong instructions, or I think the authors, typed it out incorrectly. So if we do this, we should get, oh, actually, that's not as, 19.729. That's actually not correct. Okay. Now I'm a little bit concerned. Obs x, obs y. Did I flip things incorrectly? That is so weird. All right, y'all. Have a good night. Thanks for the video response. Have when it's about the time you're ready, bro. Yeah. Where are you off to this weekend? Why, if it's not class? I am off to meet the partner's parents, yo. That's gonna be something. So wait a minute. I'm so confused. If obs y is the log velocity dispersion, that doesn't seem to make any sense. Okay, let me ask O1 if this is actually correct. It's just funny. It's like, all right, let me get the less powerful model out here. Is this the correct way to fit? Read the following code. Read the following code that is supposed to determine the scaling relationship. Securing a functional form scaling relationship between supermassive black hole mass and stellar velocity dispersion in R. Is it, looking at the author's comments, is it possible that the x and y variables are flipped? Okay, let's just see what it says here. Arguing with wife. No, don't argue with wife. You're going to lose that argument every time. Oh, yeah, in short, yes. The code is written places log black hole mass, so that log is a predictor. However, in this code, however, blah, 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 instead of the usual fit are indeed swapped. Dang, yo. Okay, so... Okay, so that's been swapped. Awk. Very awk. Where was I? Let's see, does this look correct? I'm just trying to think of these errors. 0.03. No, I think that's, yeah, the errors in stellar velocity dispersion should be smaller. So this should be ob x, error x, obs y, error y. Okay, this should be correct now. I'm in love with Claude. I'm in love with an AI. Who knows where that song's from? Okay, so we are going to re-give the question back to o3-mini high and DeepSeek-R1 and maybe O1 Pro while we're at it, just because we gave it to it incorrectly. Well, I caught on, but they didn't catch on. So whoa. So we gotta flip things around here. We gotta flip things around, yo. See, I just try and do something good, and the authors just making my life is so hard. Why are they making my life is so hard? Okay, here we go. O3-mini, let's go. Let's see how good you code. Can you figure it out? Time for piano. Is it time for piano? Okay, here we go. 49 rows? I don't know if it's 49, but okay. Aligning the data, tracking variables, visiting variable alignment, considering the variable is doing the typical expectation 200 kilometers per second. Wait, what? Oh, no. I gave it... shoot. I typed it in incorrectly. Oops, sorry. The comments got me, bro. The comments got me wrong. I have to change that. Obs x is log comments, bro. The comments, bro. They got it all wrong. Okay, let me try that one more time. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. For real this time. For real. My parents said it's not normal to be friends with an AI. Is it normal to want to make AI your life partner, as some people are doing? Okay. Okay, so here we go. Now we are ready. We are ready finally, because the prompt is now correct, I believe. Finalize. Wow, we already finalized the script. Doing Monte Carlo. 32 seconds. 32 seconds. This is a result from a published paper. Like, this is from like this is like a published paper, okay? This is something you give, like, I don't know, a new grad student, maybe a really, a senior undergrad to do. And it's going to do it in 30 seconds? Are you kidding me? All right. Well, first off, we don't even know if it's right. I do know what the answer should be, roughly. It should be around, I believe, 8 or 9 for alpha, and then like 4.8 for beta, something like that. So, what do we got here? Okay. The real code this time. Ooh! It got it! Very nice, very nice. That scatter is very... I don't know if it actually did the scatter right, though, because that scatter is like really small. It does have these are the right values. Like, these are very close to known values for M sigma relation fit, but this scatter plot is a little bit off. So it's not like... Unless we flipped, I'm curious, did we flip the... No, that's right. Like, that point looks like that point, right? Yeah. And that point... Let's see here. The dashed lines mean the mean, and the shaded represent the 50% darker and 50% no. Yeah. I mean, the plot looks good. The plot looks really good. But the shaded areas are really off somehow. And I don't know why that happened. Like, where did they do the shading? Oh, that's a bit disappointing. It may have... Oh, did it do a Monte Carlo for the... Yeah, it's generated confidence bands via Monte Carlo sampling. I feel like that's not a good thing with a... on the log scale. Huh. Well, it did get the known alphas and betas correctly, which is good. And it did plot this correctly. Minus the shaded area, because that does look consistent. Like, that point matches with that point. There is like this point and this point and like this point and this point. But I think the function is a little bit off from it. I mean, there's going to be statistical, and depending on how you fit it. I didn't tell exactly how they fit it, so their fitting methods may have been different. But overall, I mean, that's actually... Like, to do that in 30 seconds, you have to understand, it did it in 30 seconds, right? Like, that's looks pretty good. Like, imagine you're going to give it, like, this is something you might give an intern to do over the course of a summer or something, okay? And now the intern just has to do this, and it's done in 30 seconds. So anyways, that's pretty good. So hooray. Let's give it to Claude. Not Claude, sorry. Let's give it to DeepSeek, shall we? O3 is killer. Actually, could o3-mini do it? I'm kind of curious if o3-mini could do it. Let's see here. I'll do o3-mini. Sorry, o3-mini normal, and then I'll do DeepSeek. I'll just give it that again, okay? Did I give it the right text? Yeah, okay. Here we go. Bang. Now we go to DeepSeek. Time to DeepSeek out the answer. Haha, you see what I did there? Did you see what I did there? Bang. GPT 3.5 can do it. Let's see how DeepSeek thinks about it. Okay. Whoa! That was so fast. 23 seconds? Yikes. Oh, whoa. Oh, it's still going here. Perform ODR fit, best fit parameters. Oh, the server is busy. Try again later. No! We gotta try again later, guys. What is this? What is this try again later? You don't tell me to try again later. How dare you? I'm offended now. Let's see. This is o3-mini low. Shoddy got low. OpenAI got low. All right. Oh, and it also gets it, but it also is a little bit... This whole confidence interval thing, I don't think it's... How did they do it in Tremaine? I'm curious to know. But more or less, yeah, 8.37, 4.93, like 8.3, 8.45... 4.933, 4.934. Yeah, that's pretty good. It didn't give me the uncertainties, though. It didn't give me the uncertainties on these values, which I kind of would have wanted. But overall, pretty good. Like, imagine, guys, like, you have to remember, like in 2019, 2020, 2021, I was supervising undergraduate students in astrophysics, okay? And they would have projects that would be kind of akin to like this. Like, it would actually involve like getting all the data and then having to plot it and then having to interpret it. Like, the data wouldn't be nicely collated for them already, you know? But nevertheless, that would be like an 8-week summer project, okay? And now they're doing it in 20 seconds, or, you know, I'm sure someone could troubleshoot this uncertainty scatter in 8 weeks, probably. So it's pretty good. Let's try this again here. Let's try this again. New chat, please. How does DeepSeek do? Oh man, oh man. Are we in trouble now? Actually, this reminds me, I wanted to look through The Art of Computer Programming, Don Knuth's book here, or one of his Art of Computer Programming books. Let's see if we can give it a really hard problem that's like a research level problem. Because he says there are like research level problems that are unsolved. Okay, I see a 46, but 50 is like, 50 is the has not been solved yet problem. So I just want to see, is there a 50 out here? Or maybe a 49. We'll go 49 or 48 if I can find those first, because I cannot seem to find any. Oh, there's 46. If people don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, the server's busy. Let's see. The Art of Computer Programming. Problem scale. Yeah, it says here. It says here, the exercises in Art of Computer Programming by Don Knuth are rated on a scale from 0 to 50, with 0 being trivial and 50 being a difficult research question. Right, so let's see here. Do they have, like, let's see, 50 problem. Problem, level 50 problem. Maybe, let's see here. Not necessarily impossible. Yeah, okay, where are the 50 level problems? Yeah, oh, the 50 value problems here. Is there any? So why don't you look through the book yourself? Note the scale is roughly logarithmic. So no one actually... Oh, great. No one actually looked for a level 50 problem. Kyle, you will get in trouble with the book author again. Yeah, probably. Yeah, probably. But maybe... Okay, maybe we won't do it. But it wouldn't be cool, though. For science, though. For science. I'm willing to take the L for science. What if, like, it solves an unsolved problem? what if, you know, like just what if. What volume is this? This is 4B, right? It will most likely be in the training data. An unsolved problems answer will be in the training data? That sounds a little bit problematic, no? I don't think that's what you were referring to. But just give me a sec, guys. I want to see if I can find a level 50 problem. So I haven't seen one, actually. Gosh, there's like 500 exercises here. That's insane. 500 and... Ooh! There's a level 49 problem. Okay, that's like the highest one I've seen so far. I don't know if that means it's been solved or not. But maybe we can reword it in a way. Should we do... For science, you should do it. For science, do we do it? Do we just send it? And just tell, like, Don Knuth, can you please... I feel like if I was Don Knuth and there was like an unsolved problem, I would be really happy if someone actually solved it for me, because I would be able to like know before my end that it had been solved, you know? I mean, the guy is like 80 something years old now, I think, right? So it's like, no offense to Don. And actually, Don's probably not even more than 10 miles away from me. He lives in Palo Alto. I'm literally like less than 10 miles from Palo Alto right now. Okay. The problem is I don't know if it'll be right or not, right? I don't know if it'll be right, but I guess we can just try. So let's see here. Prove or disprove the strong exponential time hypothesis. I don't know what that even is, but the answers are also in the back of the book, so I just want to see if he has made a comment here in the sense that it's been solved or it's not been solved. Because if it's not been solved, then it'd be good. If it has been solved, then... Oh, what? Oh, wait a minute. This conjecture can be expressed in several equivalent forms. Define blah 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 and studied the exponential time hypothesis. They also defined this. They conjectured that this is the strong and alternative formulation as found later. Okay, maybe we can... Okay. There's some references in here. There's some references in the book. Maybe we go to the references and then we'll like... We're not going to take it right from the book. We'll go to the references that have like the papers and then we'll express it in terms of language they use there. That's a good way around it, right? Well, we're not going to just plagiarize, of course. That's a bad idea. We're just going to find the papers, find the hypotheses. Wow, this paper is like almost 20 years old too. Okay, so what is the strong exponential time hypothesis? The exponential time hypothesis is an unproven computational hardness assumption that was formulated by this. It states that satisfaction cannot be solved. Okay. Is the conjecture some sort... Oh, so it hasn't been solved yet. Okay. Okay. We got something here. Okay. Here's a hard question. How to make a solid impression with GF's parents? You know what? That's a great question. Let's just see. Claude or ChatGPT. We're not going to waste an O3 call in here. How to make good impression with GF's parents. Can it understand what I'm saying? Making a good impression on your girlfriend's person is all about showing respect, genuine interest, and a bit of thoughtfulness. Here are a few tips. Come prepared. Ask your girlfriend about her parents' hobbies, likes, or special interests. Having a bit of background will help you start conversation and show genuine curiosity. Dress appropriately. You don't need to wear a suit unless the occasion calls for it, but make sure you're clean, neat, and dressed in a way that shows you put in effort. Be polite and blah, 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 blah. Blah. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good to me. I'll follow all of these things. I'll follow all of these things for tomorrow. I'm not worried. Okay. So let's see here. State the... maybe I'll get one of these models. Okay, let me get Claude here. State the... What is it called? State the exponential time hypothesis in... simple. Okay, and now state the exponential time hypothesis and you reword it as a and reword it. Properly reword it mathematically. I don't know. That sounds weird. State define in question format. Okay, here we go. Let's just do it here. Is it true? Okay. Is it true that there exists a constant sequence such that the node can solve it? Okay. All right. This is what we're going to ask it. Can o3-mini take down this problem? Is it true? If so, prove. I'll say like if so, prove it. Okay. If so, so write a formal proof of your answer. Formal, rigorous of your answer. All right, here we go. This is the unsolved problem. Can o3-mini high? We're not even going to go low. We got to go high. You always go high. Unsolved research question right here in computer science. On the line. Will it be able to come up with something novel? Well, only one way to find out. Reasoning. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Reassessing. Let me see. The question about isn't settled. Oh, what? I'm thinking the query, navigating complexity, which remains unresolved question, assessing challenge, mapping out the difficulty of proving no deterministic algorithm for some concept, which remains an open question tied to the exponential time hypothesis, confirming the lower bound, working through confirming there's no deterministic is a potential evaluating sub-exponential time. Refining the inquiry to show that any constant blah, 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 blah. So it knows that. The short answer is, it is widely believed that such a constant exists, but no one has ever proved it. In other words, while most researchers suspect there was a constant c greater than 1 such that no deterministic can solve n variable 3 sat in time OC to the n, this is an open problem in computational complexity. Below is the explanation of the content of why a formal is currently out of reach. Dang, man. It's out of reach. Even stronger conjecture. I mean, these are the right words. Why we cannot currently prove such a lower bound. I'm actually kind of curious. Why can't we? Many techniques in computational complexity have been shown to have limitations. For example, results by Baker-Gill, limitation, P versus NP, current best known algorithms. Although we have common roughly, this is an upper bound, showing it was a much more difficult task. There is no formal rigorous proof this is present. Dang. Try with DeepSeek, Kyle. You want me to do DeepSeek? Okay, we'll give it to DeepSeek, and I'll ask Claude to give it a hard. I'm gonna ask you to give it a hard astrophysics question. Math problem? I'll give it a hard astrophysics problem. Can we split the difference there, Mr. Pro? Because there's gonna be math in that, you know. Where is DeepSeek? Where art thou, DeepSeek? DeepSeek, DeepSeek, where art thou, DeepSeek? There you are. Oh, actually, it didn't finish that. Can we try this one again? Sorry, we actually didn't get this one to work. Can we try again? Please work this time. Please work this time. Please work this time. I don't know, guys. I don't know if it's gonna work. All right, let's see here. Kyle, ignore your comments. Do what you want. I do what I want. Well, I mean, it's a good idea. Oh, here we go. Let's see here. Let's just see if DeepSeek can get this. This is the coding problem from earlier. This is the coding problem from earlier, and we're going to see if it can get it. Ooh, sorry, the book fell out here. So we know it can't solve unsolved problems. Well, we don't know for sure, but it didn't solve the unsolved problem in computer science, which would have been cool. It would have been really cool if I could have gotten it to do it. The first moment where that's going to happen, though, it's going to be like earth-shattering, right? Like, imagine like you're some mathematician, pure mathematician, working on some proof or whatever, and you've been struggling on it for years, and then you're going to turn on OpenAI 07 high, And then it's going to be like, well, you see here, this is how you would actually prove it, because we can construct this new field over the variables, and we have this algebra over the domain, and yada, yada, yada. We can get the proof, and it's all right. Isn't that going to be amazing when that happens? Like, that's actually going to be super cool. If it ever happens. I'm saying I'm saying when as if we know it's going to happen for sure, which we actually don't. We like to think it's going to happen, but we actually don't know. We have to be very, very specific in the sense that until it has been demonstrated, we cannot say it's going to happen, I think. But maybe I'm just being, what? Oh, okay. I was going to say, is that it? I was like, how could that be it? That's not it. Data array is provided. No, you're supposed to provide the thing as it is. The whole thing. Oops, I gave it the wrong thing. I'm sorry, guys. I failed y'all. I failed y'all so much. I'm so ashamed. I gave it the wrong question. I can't show my face around here again. I gave it the wrong question. This was the right one, right? Yeah, this was the right one. Okay, so let's give it this prompt. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. I was distracted. I am going to give the problem to DeepSeek. I'm going to give the problem to DeepSeek. DeepSeek. Actually, I don't know which problem you're referring to. Oh, you're referring to the computer science problem. I will do that. I just want to do the coding problem I had originally meant for it to do. But we will look at that. What was the reason why again? Let's see. This 3-sat complexity problem. I don't know what that even is. That's the exponential time hypothesis. Final answer. There's no view. In fact, it remains one of the major open problems in computational complexity. Oh my gosh, it's busy. Is it really busy? Could I just go on to Safari? Hold on, let me try with Safari. I've noticed that sometimes I can't get on, like, DeepSeek doesn't work that well on Chrome, but if I use like Safari, sometimes it is fine. So I'm going to use Safari really quickly. Great, why are they giving me like, oh, here we go. Okay, here we go. We're going to use Safari now. Bang, bang. All right, go. Go. I swear, if it works on Safari and it didn't work on Chrome, I'm going to be like, what the heck? The point of human story, like the whole achievement perspective is a flawed framing for self-worth, ego. Being human is all about having a spirit or soul connected to eternity. If there is no eternal connection, then there's nothing special about being human. Politicians have found themselves than we do. Interesting. Oh my gosh, it didn't work. But what if one doesn't believe in an afterlife? Just curious, asking for a friend, you know. Just asking for a friend, you know. Am I just doomed to all eternity? Probably. All right, let's just drop the topic. We're not going to get religious in here. Though I have to admit, with this whole super AI stuff going on, you have to start thinking like, are we creating like a god of sorts? This kind of reminds me of the story The Last Question by Isaac Asimov. And the server is busy. Please try again. Okay, well, the server being busy is unfortunate. Is it just kind of accepted that Qwen/Google aren't as good, or do you just prefer DeepSeek, OpenAI, and Claude? I do prefer Claude and OpenAI and DeepSeek. I mean, Google is good too. Like, hold on. Okay, we'll give Google. This is supposed to be an OpenAI o3-mini stream, but now I'm like getting all the other models involved as well. I guess because everyone wants to see the performance. Like, I understand it, but it's a lot to have to balance, yo. We can also give the same question to, it's gonna run? No. We'll give it to, what you call it, Flash Thinking Experimental, okay? And I'm going to put it down to like 0.1. It seems to me that like, or 0.5, no, yeah, 0.1, 0.1, thank you. Boom, boom. Okay, go. Look how fast it goes. Whoa, look at that thing go. But holy moly. Look at that thing fly. Wow. Okay, but does it actually run? Does it actually do the thing I want it to do? That's the big question here, huh? Where do I copy you, though? I just want to copy you. There you go. Well, okay, DeepSeek, it's still unavailable, so we can't use that. Great, great. Where were we? We were somewhere. We were here. Okay. So DeepSeek-R1, I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to delete this and say this is Google. Say this is Google. Let's see, Gemini Flash thinking. Okay, and then bang. Let's see, did it get it right? Ooh, what? Oh. Hey guys, hey now, you're an all-star. Google Gemini, Flash thinking, all that glitters is gone. Only shooting stars. Look at that, look at that, look at it. It's beautiful. It's actually beautiful, guys. The parameters are a little bit higher than I expect, but 5 is not bad. Like between 4 and 5 is like what's the accepted value for beta. Alpha 8.195. Yeah, that's very acceptable. Okay, I'm sorry. I disrespected Gemini. Gemini, you cannot sleep on Gemini. Let it be known that Gemini is very good. Okay, it's very, very, very good. Okay, and I'm very happy I tried that because now I know that it does really good. Flash reasoning. Yeah, it says here, do you think PhD would lose its value with LLM solving these problems? Over time, human economic drops to 0, so yes. Okay. Do you think PhD, to be honest, I hate to say it, but I think degrees in general and credentials might indeed lose their value over time, in the sense that, like, if we're going to replace people's jobs with AI, it's like we don't really care about their credentials anymore because it's like, well, you're not an AI, so you kind of suck. I want to see actually if it could Google Gemini get the gravitational collapse problem again? Because it failed. I think it failed this one, did it not? Or I didn't even try it with it. Let me just see really quickly. Let me just see really quickly if it could get this astrophysics problem I did the other day. I'm really curious now. You guys have unlocked my curiosity with Gemini. Gemini Cricket. Okay, so another one. Where am I looking for it? Where is another one? Here we go. Another one at 0.1. Okay. Wow, look at it go. Oh, it's wrong. Oh, it actually got it wrong. That's not the right answer. Yeah, that is not right. It's supposed to be 9/4. It's off by a factor of 1/2 somewhere. Where did you go wrong here? Where did you go wrong here? You actually did not do it right. You're off by factor of 1/2. You have to get factor of 1/2 correctly. No, you're incorrect. It is not correct. It is not 9/2. It is a 9/4. What happened there? I'm actually curious. What the heck happened? Where the heck did you go wrong? Oh, this is the whole problem. Now I gotta find the factor of 2 that went missing. Okay. Never mind. I was so hot on Flash thinking, but it is not the time. Okay, so we got to get the problem here. And what was I doing? Sorry, don't mean to be talking in this accent. What was I doing? Oh, I wanted to see if DeepSeek could actually answer this this unsolved problem. Okay, sorry, I'm just reading the chat. Okay, where is the DeepSeek? I got way too many tabs here. Did I close that? Oh, I was on Safari. That's what I was doing, right? Okay. New chat maybe? Will that get me into DeepSeek's good graces? Gosh, can't even talk. Go. Please, DeepSeek, give me a proof of math. As a nurse, I think we are good because medicine requires human emotions also. Yeah, I think like things that involve caretaking for patients or those with like special needs, I think those are going to be one of the last jobs that I would imagine being replaced by AI. I think y'all are dramatically underestimating what it means to generalize. No! I can't get DeepSeek to work. What's going on? Well, that sucks. That sucks. Well, okay. Okay, so we are going to go back to what I wanted to do, and I wanted to test this problem out that involved the following expression here. So let's see. I need to look at the book really quickly because I need to rewrite the question in a way that is not exactly the same way, but different enough that people are not going to get mad at me. But like, oh, you're stealing my problem. Because I think both authors are like retired now, so I feel like no one should be complaining. But you never know. You'll always find complainers. Oh, it's in chapter 4 of this book. So I wanted to see if it could solve for this expression here. It's kind of a nasty expression here. It's nasty. It's a very nasty expression. I've never seen anything like it. It's like the nastiest expression I've ever seen in my life. I wonder who I was referring to in that instance. Okay, so the model, I believe, is 4.44. Okay. We're actually going to go back and do astrophysics. Wow, what do you know? We're actually going to do what the stream title says. Oh my goodness, Kyle. What are we even doing? Okay, so here we go. I am going... Here's the question. We want to figure out what the total brightness, if you have a luminosity density given by this, what is the total luminosity? It should be this thing right here. It should be this expression. In the paper by Van der Kroot and Searle, they obtain, I didn't write that correctly, there's just a difference of a factor of 2 in this hyperbolic secant squared function. But anyways, I want to see if the DeepSeek and o3-mini models can actually get this correctly. So you have to integrate this in cylindrical coordinates. Let me rewrite the question here. So let's say, okay, let's rewrite the question. Suppose you are given the following luminosity density function in cylindrical polar coordinates that define the symmetry axis of the model. So we're going to say here math j of r z is equal to j0 exp negative r d sesh squared. Really? No sesh? What? How do you write hyperbolic secant? Caution sesh. Yeah, actually, what gives? How do I write that? Oh, are you kidding? That's lame. Is it really not recognized? That was like 11 years ago. Come on. I really have to declare the operator? That's crazy. Oh, who has to like write that there? Anything applied math related? Does astrophysics count as as applied math? Because I think the answer is yes, but I'm slightly biased when I do that. Okay, we're gonna have to say math rm sesh. Okay. Z over 2z 2z naught. What? Okay, what the heck are you doing? Frec z over 2 z naught. Z naught. Please work with me. Work with me here. Please work with me. I'm not asking for much. Just work with me. Okay. Okay. For r less than r max and 0 for r greater than r max. Determine an expression for the, let's see here. You are late. Don't worry. You are not too late. But I am going to go to bed soon because I have to drive 6 hours tomorrow. Fun. Going to meet the girlfriend's parents. Determine an expression for the total luminosity, of the model. Assume treat J0, say J0, RD, and Z0. Oopsie. And Z0 as constant. First, determine, then use take the limit as r max goes to infinity in your expression, and box. Okay, yeah, your expression. Box your final answers to both these questions. Okay, I think these are just fine. How do you switch your brain off for bed? I don't. That's not good to say, but I don't think I do a good job of that really at all. Okay, o3-mini high. Yes, that's what I want to do. You, and where are you? Where are you? Here we go, and you. Look at my ability to copy and paste. Isn't it amazing? Here we go. Can you do it? So it should get an expression that looks something... Oh God, is it gonna get it that quickly? 8 seconds? You're kidding me. You are absolutely kidding me. No. No way. No way. Oh, it got it. Are you serious? It did it in 8 seconds? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, technically there's an RD squared here. So technically this could go... So this could be squared, actually. Why didn't I square this? Squared. RD times RD. Can I just copy that, please? Whoa, what happened to my... Hello, why are you being so rude? LaTeX, you're being so rude again. Oh my god. But yeah, it got it, guys. It got it, yo. What in the absolute heck, just happened there? 8 pi JR0 RD. And then, yeah, in the limit as it goes to infinity, this should just become 8 J0 pi RD squared J0, yeah. Holy moly, guys. It did it in 8 seconds. Jesus, 8 seconds. 8 seconds, guys. It took it 8 seconds to do this. I mean, it's like, it's not maybe like the hardest thing in the world to do, but like you still gotta set things up. You gotta write it out. You gotta, like, you know, think about it a bit. But 8 seconds. Could o3-mini low do it, actually? Yeah. Could o3-mini low do it? I mean, I'm already impressed. Taking the limit is that, you should get this, right? So yes, it does get this. So it should get this thing. So that is correct. I wanted it to take the limit. So the real problem was just to get the first part. And then I wanted it to do the second thing just to see if it could get it. This is actually related to this paper, Van der Kroot and Searle 1983, just to give you guys an idea where this problem came from. So this problem it's not explicitly stated how to solve this problem, but it is mentioned in this old paper here from it's how you model galaxies. So there is some research papers. Yeah. So there is, the total luminosity is this. So it's just because there's the factor of 2 that's different in the hyperbolic secant squared. I did it the way they did it, and then if you do it the way that these authors did it, you get the same exact answer. Okay, so that's what this is right here. I just did it just to make sure I knew what they were doing, and yeah. So this is impressive. I mean, yes, it's an old paper. It's like 42 years old. It has to do with astronomy, but that's crazy. Keep the spirits high with O3 high. All right, let's see if O1 Pro could do it. We'll give it to O1 Pro. We'll also give it to O3. Oop. We'll also give it to O3 low. O3-mini low. Shoddy got low. Got the apple bottom jeans boots with the fur. Can you just try testing on real world problems that are unsolved, get as far as you can get this done? I did try and give it an unsolved research problem from the art of computer programming right here. I did try and give it an unsolved problem, but it was like, nope, that's unsolved. I cannot solve the unsolved. So I gave it my best shot, yo. Is it better? Well, it's slower. O1 Pro is definitely slower. But I guess we'll find out if it's better. Better is relative. Better is relative. Give it this problem. Okay. The answer is pi. Okay, we'll do that. What is this? All right, here we go. All right, Maths 51. I got you. We'll do it. In fact, while it's doing this, I think I'll also pull up something else. Okay, put that there if I wanted it. And what did I want to do? I wanted to also give this to maybe DeepSeek-R1 and also Gemini. Where is my Gemini? Or where's my DeepSeek? Oh, I think it's right. We were like, DeepSeek isn't letting us do anything. Let's get out of here. Reaching the conclusion. Are you right? Let's just see here. Ooh! It got it right here. 8 pi j naught c naught. Yeah, d squared. Yeah. It did get it right here. A lot slower, but well, that's in the chain of thought. So let's see what it actually has to say. Here we go. DeepSeek's also going to get the same question. 1 minute and 54. Okay, you do that. Oh, it's hard to read. We can write this as is equal to 8 pi. Yes. You should get 8 pi. Yep. Yep. That looks way okay. Let's even coordinates. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so indeed, it got this expression correct because this should go to infinity. Yeah, or that should go to 0 as this goes to infinity. And then how is DeepSeek going to do? How is DeepSeek going to do? Well, let's see here. Gets the 4z naught. Okay. My dad is a family doc. Could this replace his job? No, I don't think it could replace his job yet. So yes, that's correct. Let's bring it all together. Simplify constants. And so you get this. Oh, that's correct. Let's see what happens. Oh, yep. That's the right value right there. Gosh. I think that's the correct answer. Let me just verify the integration over z again. The integrand was that. Yeah. Yep, that seems solid. The final answer is this. Yep. And let's double check here. That, I mean, it did get the right answer there. Yep, that looks good to me. Just some pulling out some constants there. But that looks good. That looks good. Eight pi j naught z naught rd squared, because that's what I have here. Let's factor out then that. Yes. Good job. So even if we decrease the complexity of the given problem as much as possible, it can't solve the unsolved, right? Yes, Thug Life Inventor, we tried to give it problem. I did try to give it a problem in computer science that is currently unsolved, and it was just like, oh, this is an unsolved problem. I can't actually do that for you. And we were like, oh, okay. But it's good to know it can get, you know, it can get known answers, or even known answers where the answers aren't publicly available anywhere. I still think that's pretty good. So we're going to take a look at o3-mini. Could it get the same thing? We're looking for this and this. So DeepSeek-R1, o3-mini high. Oh, that looks kind of funky. o3-mini high got it. Can o3-mini low get it? Yeah, it can. Actually, is that correct? 1 minus r max of rd. Is that the correct final expression? It's kind of hard to tell because there's all these terms there going on. rd, well, I factor out the 1 minus e minus rd max over r. Oh, yeah, because then you just do r max over rd. Yep, okay, yep, that's correct. Yay, all the O3 models could do it. Let's see here. So the math is doing behind the scenes to create it more complex than the comics everyone can give it. Okay. So we've done all of that. Yeah, I'm very impressed. Very, very, very impressed indeed. Oh, we didn't give it to, did we give it to Google? I don't want to let Google feel left out. Hang on. Did we give it to Google? Oh, I don't think we did. All right, let's give it to Google. Google didn't get the last one, though. I'm going to put the temperature down all the way to 0. I don't want it to be trying to be creative because I want it to actually get the thing right. Okay. Jeez, look how fast that's going, though. Holy moly. Oh, wait, it got it there. Oh, my gosh. Crazy. 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 Yep. Yep, that's all right. Wow. Guys, these models, man. 16 seconds to get this one. These are problems you find in a graduate level astronomy textbook. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. You know, this is the book I was... Oh. This was the book that I was pulling it from. It's like, goodness gracious. The comprehensive, it says here. Yeah. Gosh, this book is, how old is this book now? 1998, I think? 1999? Yeah. Or 1998, yeah. This book is kind of old, but still. My goodness. It's just taking these problems apart, yo. Ooh, could Google do the one? I'm just curious. Could Google do the very long one that O3 refused to do initially? I'm just kind of curious. You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about the one that was like this one. Yeah, this one. I want to see if Google could do this one. This was the one where we had to get o3-mini to, or o3-mini high to explain itself. Or if what you call it, actually evaluate the whole expression. Could it do like this? I'm just curious. How would Google do on this? 0, because we just wanted to see how fast it can go. Okay, boom. Okay. Wow, look at it go. How many tokens is that? That is so fast. Oh my gosh, is it gonna get it? No way. No way, bro. That is crazy. This is also wrong. Wait, why is it also wrong? I can't keep up. Oh, it got it. Whoa, that's the right expression. That's the right expression. Oh my gosh. But it's still going. That was the right expression. Whoa, why are you doing it again? That was the right... It's like rewriting the whole thing again and again and again and again and again. But you can chill. You can chill. It's okay. You got it before. You don't have to... Yes, you did it again. Just chill. Holy moly. This thing is not giving up. Stop. It's already over. You got the right answer. Okay, now it left it in the whole summation format here. Where L toad is equal to this. Yeah, so this is the right expression if it's in summation form. I was looking, the answer is left in terms of like this, but that was more or less correct. Yes. Okay, sorry, Maths 51. I have been slacking. on it really quick. I will give o3-mini high this problem, all right? All right, here we go. This is from Maths 51 in the chat. Evaluate the following integral. Okay. I cannot even see what this problem looks like. It looks grand. Oh my. Okay. The answer is pi, supposedly. Uh-oh, I saw a pi there. Uh-oh. The answer is pi. Okay. The key intersections, deducing that. Oh no, that doesn't look good. It is from MIT Integration B. Ooh, an Integration B problem. That was always good. It's making it think. It's really making it think. Okay, piecing together 6 distinct integrals. Oh man. So R1 got it, says Mr. Pro. That's pretty amazing. I'll give R1 it as well. Throw some subversive philosophy in there first. Let's get creative. What is subversive philosophy? Can someone explain what's subversive philosophy? R1 take 5 seconds to solve it, by the way. R1 took 5 seconds? Holy moly. Hey, it got it pi. It took 2 minutes and 11 seconds. But the final answer is pi. So what did you have to do here? I'm actually kind of curious. One may show, wait a minute, what? It just kind of says, wait, one may show that after a quote bit of algebra, one finds after a somewhat lengthy computation that the contribution from the pieces add to this. What? Hang on here. I'm a little bit sussed out here. That seems very hand-wavy. That's very hand-wavy. What's going on here? What do you think? I don't know. That seems like a little bit just sus. It's just like, oh, one may show. It's just this. With the number a short number of conversions than this. Piecewise analysis must break the interval integration out to this. It doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right to me either. That seems like a little bit like baloney. Doesn't that seem like a bit of baloney to you? I'm going to go slow here really quickly. A short, though not miraculous, analysis shows that the two switching points for the max function occurs here. I think you broke it to show thinking tokens. It saw the answers but didn't have the method, so is BSing. It does kind of seem like it's BSing, doesn't it? That's like literally what you do when you don't know what you're doing. It's just like, well, I know what the answer is, but I can't prove it, so it's just this. After a somewhat lengthy computation. Wait, what? What's this? Oh, come on now. Come now. This is so ridiculous. I think you broke it to show. Do you support ChatGPT for president? You know, I don't know, man. I don't know what ChatGPT's policy is on education. I have to really think about that one. So, okay. We were deceived, yo. It tried to BS. O3-mini is a BSer. O3-mini is a BSer, I must say. Should we give it the funny integral? I feel like we should always give it... I think we have to make the funny integral like a real test. We always do. What's the funny integral, you might ask? It's the integral that involves 69,421 in it. Let's see here. Let's give it this question here. Evaluate the following integral. Okay. What do we got? What do we got going on here? Please don't actually just tell me like, oh, I'm too busy, server's busy, everyone's trying to use DeepSeek right now. BS is how you know it can reason. Because that's what humans will do, right? Come on, let's go. Come on, DeepSeek, show me what you can do. Don't just do that. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's see what it does. Chain of thought. Here we go. Here's the chain of thought. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This will steal all our jobs. I'm scared. Don't hug me. I'm scared. Does anyone know what that is? Does anyone know where that reference is from? If you know what Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared is, you are probably cursed like I am. That video is cursed. What's DeepSeek seeking? I don't know, man. It's just trying to seek eternal truth. It's just trying to seek eternal knowledge. Knowledge. Who knows where that's from? Knowledge. Here in my garage with my Lamborghinis in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I love more than Lamborghinis? Knowledge. I've been on YouTube way too long, if people know. If people haven't caught on. I've been on YouTube since it was first a thing. I've been there for all of the internet lore, okay? Like, I am a degen. What's going on here, though? Like, this thing is really just... This thing is just... discard, okay? I wonder how fast Gemini could do it. I imagine AI wouldn't want to take over until its perspective has stabilized, so it wouldn't take drastic action even if it could. Excuse me. Got these 3,000 books here in my garage. Come on, let's see here. This thing is still going. Let me get some water real quick. Okay. What if they are seeking an architecture? What if that is knowledge? Could be. Heck if I know. Heck if I know what it wants. Wait, let's check. For x equals pi over 10. This thing is still going, man. It's still going. I don't know how your DeepSeek did it in 5 seconds. This one is taking several minutes here. Oh, let's see here. Just a few late night Q stars, LOL. Oh my gosh. Oh, I still need to pack a bag for tomorrow. Oh my gosh. I haven't packed a bag, but it's only an overnight trip, so I don't need to pack that much. I just gotta like throw together some clothes into this small bag I have and be like, all right, I'm out. 72 pi, right? No, I thought it was just pi, right? Goodness gracious. 5 intervals. Are you married? I have a partner, but I'm not married. Oh, that reminds me. I need to fill out the application for that new apartment. Kyle, stay with us a little longer on the live stream, please. We enjoy your company. Oh, I appreciate that, but I can't stay up too late. I have to drive like half a day tomorrow to meet my girlfriend's parents, and I don't want to be seen as like, this guy is like not paying attention to my stories. Give it MIT 2025 integrals. MIT integrals 2025. Kyle, I'm using DeepSeek from Abacus platform. I don't know what that is. Guys, this is taking forever, yo. What is going on here? I guess in the meantime, I should think of other things to give these questions. Give these models questions. Oh, I was thinking actually, there's a problem from this book actually that, there's only 12 problems from this book actually, but that I did actually solve back in the day. I think it'd probably be the easiest problem though, because I think it's the very first problem in the back here. But of course we cannot ask it in the same way because the copyright peoples are going to be like, okay, so in the meantime, I guess I will just type this question up here. Make babies, come on. Heck no, yo. It took Owen 13 minutes to give a wrong answer to this. Tragic. Well, in that case, give our kind greetings to your partner from the YouTube family. Aw, thank you so much. They do watch my videos, so maybe they will even watch this stream, but I feel like it's way too long. No one should watch this whole thing start to finish. It's just too long, yo. We're going to keep this here. I want to know, though, if I can... I'm going to type the next question I want to give. Let me see here. Suppose that a... Okay. Let's see, problems. I'll just say here. Solve the following astrophysics problem. Problem statements. Imagine that there is a spherically star within a medium, like enclosed, let's say enclosed within a medium that is exerting a uniform pressure. I'm just going to write it as gamma here. Math gamma. Nope. Sorry. Gamma. Okay. The star. Let's see. Determine. Starting from first principles. Starting from first principles. I don't know if that's the right way to phrase it. Let's see here. Derive a relationship that connects the gravitational energy, the integral of the pressure. Let's just say P of R, the volume of the star. star's radius. I'll just say R naught and math inline. Okay. I have rewritten the question, yo. Here we go. It's still going. My goodness gracious. So here is the next question I'm going to give it. This is a problem I actually solved many, many years ago. And by many, many years ago, I mean maybe like 5 years ago. I'm not so sure. It's not this one. I think it's this one. Nope, that's the other one. Okay. Maybe it's this one. It is this one. Okay, this one's not that long, actually. This is not that long. This should be the final expression to the problem, though. So you do have to do some physics here. So this is like this is an astrophysics problem from the same lectures on astrophysics here. So what the final answer should be, you just have to leave it in terms of this integral here. So I believe this is the term. So we should have 4 pi. In the problem, I'm going to rewrite it as gamma. So gamma is p naught. So 4 pi r cubed gamma minus 3, 0 to r, pr, 4 pi r squared dr. Okay. Okay, so I think this is good. We want to see that. So while DeepSeek is burning tokens here, we're going to go to o3-mini high, and we're going to see if it can do this. Solve, enclose your final answer with a box. Okay, here we go. Let's see how fast o3-mini high can get this one. Look at DeepSeek go, guys. It's not quitting. You got to give DeepSeek credit. It doesn't quit. It doesn't know when to quit. It's just like, no, I will get this. If it's the last, what? No, this does not violate the terms of, oh my gosh. I'm not violating nobody terms of service, bruh. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. OpenAI, we homies, bruh. Why are you trying to hurt me, bruh? Oh my gosh. OpenAI just trying to stab me, yo. They're trying to stab me through the heart. They're just like, you're using DeepSeek, Kyle. How dare you betray us? We know you're using DeepSeek and Claude. And to that, I say yes. Oh, actually, how about this? Let's ask Claude. Rewrite the following physics question in the form of a childhood of a fairy tale for children. Keep the same instructions and constants as the keep the constant. Okay, here we go. We're gonna be creative here. You just gave the Thanos impression from Squid Game Season 2. Did I? I don't know. Okay, here we go. We're going to make Claude rewrite this problem. Once upon a time, in a far-off corner of the cosmos, there lived a magical star named Luna. Luna was perfectly round, like the most beautiful pearl you could imagine, and she floated in a sea of stardust that hugged her from all sides with a gentle, uniform squeeze that we'll call Gamma. Luna, like all stars, was made of layers upon layers of magical stardust, each layer pressing down on the ones below it. The pressure at any point inside Luna, which we'll call P of R, changed depending on how deep you went into her core. One day, a curious young astronomer fairy wanted to understand how different forces work together to keep Luna stable and happy. She wondered, how does Luna's gravity magic relate to the total squeezing force from all the layers inside Luna, which we can find by adding up P of R throughout her whole body, Luna's size, her radius R0, and the gentle hug Gamma from the stardust sea around her? To solve this cosmic riddle, young astronomers must find the magical equation that connects all these pieces together. Can you help the fairy discover how these forces work together to keep Luna in perfect harmony? Note, the mathematical challenge remains the same. Find the relationship between gravitational energy, the volume integral of PR, R0, and Gamma. Wow, we should just do like late time bed. Like, come on, sign me up. Sign me up for ASMR YouTube. I'm ready. I am still, dude. Dude. I am helping the USA out here. I am burning tokens on DeepSeek. Okay, this is my contribution to America right here. I'm just like, I am taking down the enemy by wasting their tokens. No, there is no mercy here. ASMR with Kyle would be a new genre on this channel. Well, first off, let's go back and actually give it the question here. All right. Let's see. Can it do the problem? We should do like all our problems like this. Let's just put it in the form of like a fairy tale for children. So this is the final expression. Just replace P naught with gamma and capital R with R naught. Okay, and that should be the final answer. I believe that was my answer. The answer is not anywhere on the internet from what I can tell. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Reasoning. Connecting Luna's ender. Piecing. Oh, it's like doesn't care. It's like screw your fairy tale. I'm just solving the physics here, man. This is the kind of fairy tale I hope if I ever had children, they would be like, Daddy, I don't care about Luna. I just want to know what the oh my gosh. No. Oh my gosh, it got the right answer. Which means I got the right answer. Yes. Wait, actually, did it get it right? Oh yes, it did. See? It got the right answer. Oh my gosh. And like, I don't even know how long it took, but I got the 3 P of R 4 pi R squared plus 4 pi R naught cubed gamma. Oh, it just cut through the fluff, yo. It just cut through the fluff. Oh, it got the answer. Oh my gosh. DeepSeek got the right answer. Oh my gosh. Someone needs to time that. Like how long it actually took. Wait, what? What did it do? It didn't actually show anything. Well, actually, it showed everything in the... Look at all these tokens. Oh my gosh. That's test time compute for you. Look at all this work went into it. Look at all this work. Let's go from the very beginning. It thought for 869 seconds. Wait, so divided by 60. It thought for like 14 and a half minutes, yo. 14 and a half minutes, but it used approximations. Dang. Sag, yo. Sag. Very sag. Pepe Sag, yo. I'm too much of an internet. Oh my god. What is it doing here? Holy moly, what is it doing? It is really going for it. It is like, I don't give a darn what you think. I am getting this answer. This is determination here. This is utter, I am not giving up. I am going to find the answer at all cost here. So America, where's my medal from America? Because I'm taking down the enemy here. I'm taking down DeepSeek. The most ethical waste of resources from China you could have ever imagined. I'm a gosh darn hero. DeepSeek is schizophrenic but persistent AF. I'd say so. I would say so indeed. Gosh, look look at these tokens. Look at these tokens. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. 14 minutes of like outputting tokens here. I'm curious, could DeepSeek get this one? Probably. But let's see. Can DeepSeek get the cute story? Can DeepSeek get the cute story about Luna the star that has this pressure that's hugging her? It's so wholesome. Please get this one, DeepSeek. Yes, it did thinking. So you were the one crashing the servers. Hey, it's all on video, yo. I wasn't trying to do nothing. I was just testing out the new models, okay? I was just testing out the new models. It's determination consistency from DeepSeek. Come on, DeepSeek. No, the server's busy. I don't care if the server's busy. Solve the dang problem or else. Solve the dang problem or else. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm just not going to be happy. What did I also want to test? Oh, yeah, Google. We could test Google, I guess. Guys, I'm getting pretty tired, so I think I'm going to go to bed fairly soon. Because I do have to get up in like 8-ish hours. But this has been really fun. This has been very, very fun, I must admit. But the fun will have to come to an end soon, as it always has to, you know. That's just the way it goes. Fun can't go on forever. Google AI Studio. AI Studio, thank you. Create prompt, bring that down. Then we go here, and then we say... Okay, how fast can this get it? No way. It's not getting it, did it? Unraveling Luna's cosmic mystery. Okay. The magical equations. Oh my gosh, it actually got it. Wait a minute. 3... Oh, it just said it the other way around. Okay, yeah, because it should be minus that. Yeah, it should. If you put this on the other side, if you bring this to the other side, and then you have the right expression. Wow, 20 seconds. Amazing. Amazing. This is so amazing. Okay, wait. I have an idea. One last idea. I'm going to try something. I have an idea. Let's see here. I wanted to change languages. How about this? Rewrite the following physics question for the 5-year-old children. Alternate between the alternate each sentence. No, not sentence. Alternate each word. Alternate writing each word in one of 3 different languages. Russian. No, that's bad. Let's start with English. English, Chinese, and let's say Japan. No, 4 languages. Let's not put too many designated countries on the US there. Well, actually, Japanese is on the same. Chinese. Okay, I'll say Spanish and then Russian. How about that? Or Italian. Yeah, there we go. Italian and Russian. Okay. I don't know. Can it keep that up here? We're just going to, like, see what it says here. Oh, is Claude unhappy? Multilingual fairy tale. Once and... No, get rid of all that stuff. Okay, get rid of all the NCN IT RU and CN parentheses in this story, but keep it the same otherwise. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, I can't understand what this is saying. But I think that's the point. Oh, I saw you on Grindr. You be lying, bruh. You lying, bruh. Let's see here. Okay, here we go. Let's go to o3-mini high. Can o3-mini high get through this absolute gem of a story written in like multiple languages with math interspersed in here? I say no. We are going to stop it. Uh-oh, never mind. This is where it ends. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh, 20 seconds? Are you kidding me? No way. The final magic equation. Wait. Actually, that's not correct. Equals 4. No, I don't think it got it right, guys. No, that's different. Oh, whoa. It actually, I think it didn't understand the problem, actually. I think I actually threw it off. Yeah, no, it's in case in immediate, well, maybe, I can't tell this question is like worded really weirdly. Oh, maybe gamma equals pressure of magical hug. I think we threw it off, guys. We defeated it. We defeated it. It didn't understand the question. We had to just put it in 4 different languages. We had to put it in 4 different languages in a fairy tale with the math question, the astrophysics question with the math stuff in there, and it got confused. Huzzah! I don't know, maybe it got lost in translation. I'm not even going to try and translate this. Or, well, let's see. What happens if we just translate this all into English? What happens here? What happens? This proves humans better at least 0.1% of the time. Wait, translate this story into English. Like, Claude, translate this story into English. Into full English. What does it actually say? The star's magic hug this otherwise small star. Okay. Dressed up, would you like... No human can understand the question too. This is not fair. Haha. So, anyways. Okay. Well, guys, I think we found the trick to messing it up. Is that you just gotta take the problem in English, okay? You take the problem in English, you put it in a fairy tale, and then you change every word in the fairy tale to a different language. And then it, yeah, there we go. It's done. If you ask the surgeon who was the boy's father, says, I can't remember, he's my son. Who's the surgeon to the boy? Wait, what? That's weird. Okay. I just joined. Could someone tell me if o3-mini is passing the vibe checks or not? It's passing the vibe checks. It was able to do some astrophysics problems. It did this coding task pretty well. Yeah, I mean, passed the vibe check pretty good. I mean, it did this plot, made this plot here, which I was hoping it to do. It pretty much recreated this figure from start to finish, so I was able to do that very well. Kyle's new strategy finally broke the R3-mini. Yes! But the problem is, like, it's also uninterpretable human, so it's like kind of like a self-sacrificing move. It's like, I can't solve this, but neither can you. So, anyways, that's that. Okay, everyone. So I am going to go to bed. I've been streaming for a couple of hours now. Give us the link. I want to try with R1. The link to what exactly? You want to give the link to this one? If it's this story you want, I'll give you the link. Here you go. Hold on. Let me just share chat. Let me share. If you really want to be confused with... Oh, actually, that's actually a good point. Maybe... All right, one last thing. We'll give this test to DeepSeek-R1. Can DeepSeek-R1 get it, actually? Actually, can DeepSeek-R1 cut through the nonsense? Okay. Let's see here. Thinking. Come on. Please, please, please. Go, 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 go. Kyle, do you prefer DeepSeek-R1? I don't think I prefer it. I mean, I like the fact that it's free. It's definitely given me thoughts as to like if I want to continue my pro subscription, because that pro subscription is a lot of money. So anyways, please, DeepSeek, please perform for the audience. I know I made you think for like 14 minutes. What the heck? What does this say? Wait a minute. What does that say? Did I make DeepSeek say F you? What does it translate this? Go, Claude. Server's busy. Please try again later. Oh my gosh. It's just like, nope. Nope. You've used so much compute already. You do not get any more time. One more time? Please? Please? Can I just get a little bit? Please? If I ask nicely. Victim of its success on its knees now. Answer, the internal pressure PR is equal to the external magical pressure. No, that is incorrect. That is incorrect, yo. Come on, DeepSeek. Ooh, 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 it's going in Chinese now. Oh, here we go. Magical hug, gamma. Oh my gosh, I'm like making it, I'm breaking it, yo. It's language mixing. Or actually, no, that's just math. But, haha. Look at me go. I should be able to recognize what the final answer is. Okay. I cannot. The trick is just wait till the math is done, and then we'll see. Okay. It's kind of hard to tell what the heck is going on here. Oh no, I think it's really messing up here. Because I think it integrated that thing. It's using the virial theorem here. Oh! No, I don't think so. Why are you getting the... I think it's trying to verify itself multiple different ways. Oh, 4 pi are not... That's actually good. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. The suspense is killing me, guys. I don't know. I don't know if DeepSeek-R1 is going to get it. Oh! Oh! Oh, whoa! I think it got it. Oh, wait, DV. No, but actually, no, that's right. It just didn't write out the 4 pi r squared dr. It's okay. But you need to write out the terms of the pressure. Okay, wait. If it kept this with the pressure, then it's correct, I believe. Oh my gosh. Just write it as 4 pi r squared dr. Yes. Oh my gosh. They don't call me the LLM torturer for nothing. I don't know if anyone calls me that, but it's kind of a cool title. Oh, it's really close. If it rewrote the PDV with a 4 pi r squared dr, then it's basically correct. Oh my gosh. I just want to go to bed, yo. Dude, I don't know what I found the ways to make these reasoning models crash or, spit out so much, tokens. Oh my gosh. This is too funny. Let's see. Oh. It's so close. Like, it's so close to the final. You are the reason the servers keep crashing. It's probably me, yeah. o3-mini is 150 queries per day, right? I actually don't know, to be honest. I don't know what the query limits are. Oh my gosh, guys. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Like Anakin from Revenge of the Sith, you know what I'm talking about? Where like when he cuts off Mace Windu's hand, and then the Emperor kills Mace Windu, and then Anakin's like, "What have I done?" You are fulfilling your destiny. Kyle was looking too good. A true Jew should be pale with gray skin that does not know what the sun is, and bird dust like on the bags under his eyes. How many years he has not had a vacation? o3-mini is now 150 messages per day. Hi, I live in Eastern Europe, and I just woke up really surprised to see this stream live new. Oh, well, welcome, Elijah. I'm sorry, I am going to bed after this is done, which may take a long time at this rate, because I didn't think it would take this long. But, oh my gosh. This is what you mean. This is what happens. You're just like, one more prompt. That's it. One more prompt. I'm done. I'm through with it. Oh, we didn't give it to o3-mini, though. Maybe we give it to o3-mini. I mean, o3-mini should probably, I don't know, should it do better or worse? We didn't give it to o3-mini. We gave it to o3-mini high. I mean, sorry, o3-mini low. My bad. o3-mini low. We didn't give it to it. All right. Let's just keep that there on the side while that keeps running, and then we can go o3-mini, and boom. Reasoning. Can it do it? Oh, deciphering the puzzle. Oh. I'm making silly sounds. Evaluating celestial energy. Oh. Total sparkle is... No, you're wrong again. No, that's not the right expression. Oh, wait. Whoa, it's done. Whoa, it's finally doing something here. Oh, wait, what's happening? Oh, it got it. Wait, this is right. This is right here. This is right, but where do you get the 12 pi? Oh, you get the 12 because you're putting the... Wait, what? I mean, this is the right expression right here. I guess it just rearranged it. Hold on, let's just verify. DeepSeek got it. DeepSeek got it. It should have left it as this, really. Technically, you should have, well, put the minus sign on the other side. And, oh, wait. Is it off by a minus sign? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. There's like a minus sign off here. Wait a minute, but why do you have this? This is correct. How did you F that up? I'm actually confused. This was actually really close. R cubed gamma, I mean, because we're making gamma p naught here. And then you do the 3 times that, and then you go in there. But wait, how did that get all mixed up? Did it just flip the sign? This is actually this is actually correct. This is the final answer. It just went a little bit farther than it had to. 4 gamma is equal to, wait, gamma is, it's solved for gamma. It shouldn't have done that, but okay. Gamma is equal to, okay, plus this the other side, 3, and then we do R naught. Yeah, I mean, this is technically correct. It's solved, we called gamma P0 and we called R naught. But basically it's solved for P0 in this expression, and it's correct. So what this tells me is that DeepSeek is pretty cracked. DeepSeek is... I'm so sorry, Curtis. I'm literally about to sign off. But DeepSeek just spent... I don't know how many... 312 seconds to get this answer. That's amazing. And o3-mini and o3-mini low and o3-mini high could not get this one. That is pretty incredible. I mean, they only thought for like 15 seconds. o3-mini high thought for 15 seconds. o3-mini low thought for 15 seconds. Both got the wrong expression, the same wrong expression. But DeepSeek-R1, 312 seconds of thought time, generating all these tokens, gets the right expression in the end. So that is, so you're a Sith Lord now. Noted. Kyle, what about full O1? All right. One last prompt for the people coming in. I know people are coming. They're like, oh, yay. I'm leaving tomorrow, guys. I have a trip to go to. I have to drive half a day tomorrow, but fine. We'll give it to O1 Pro. Can O1 Pro do what o3-mini could not, and what DeepSeek-R1 could. DeepSeek-R1 could get it. The o3-mini models could not. But can the best O1 model, the supposed best reason, well, actually I can't tell what's better, O1 Pro or o3-mini High. Actually, I'm having a hard time determining. Best at reasoning. It's the best at reasoning. So if O1 Pro can't get it, then we're going to have to say DeepSeek-R1's cracked. More cracked. I mean, then again, I did give it something that had a lot of Chinese characters in there, and DeepSeek is from China, so maybe that's a slight advantage, but I don't know. I also mixed in Italian and Russian in there, so I don't know. I don't know, people. O1 Pro is better than o3-mini High. Okay, so O1 Pro is going to try its best here. His social engineering at its best. The message is clear. You better have to learn Mandarin now. LOL. Is that what I'm doing? Am I socially engineering people into thinking that, oh, you have to learn Mandarin to jailbreak these models? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Will it get this one? Will it get this one? Oh no. I think it's actually not getting it. Are you sure that the initial problem statement it gave is right? Bro, you paid $200 to have an access to O1, or the rules are changed? No, I coughed up, yo. I coughed up the dough. Will Gemini be able to solve this? Good night, Kyle. Coming for the new live stream and, of course, Physics Children's Story with Kyle Genre. LOL. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, yeah. Pleasure. It's a pleasure. Let's see. Where is my Google? Where's my Googla? Oh, here's my Googla. All right, let's give it to Google really quick while we're at it. No temperature. Experimental flash thinking, though. Oh my gosh, I'm making a language mix. I'm making it language mix. Ah. Oh, now it's back to normal. Okay, whatever. Okay. Oh, what? What is going on here? What? Oh, that's actually correct, I think. Negative UG, put UG, and then guys, this is actually correct. You just bring this to the other side and it's correct. Google thinking experimental got it. Actually, that's amazing. And it did it in 19 seconds. Dude, don't sleep on thinking experimental, guys. It just got the right answer. It got the right answer. Just shift this term to the other side, and then you get exactly what I have with just some rewriting stuff. Anyways, Gemini is a multilingual genius. By the way, me too came very late to the party. A bunch of people that you're not leaving yet, Kyle. Thank you so much. You are welcome. But this is it. This is it. This is the final thing. Here we go. O1 Pro. Could O1 Pro get it? Could O1 Pro do what DeepSeek could? It is... Oh, that's so close, but I don't think that's right. I think it's off by a minus sign. Oh, no, it's off. I think it's off by a minus sign, guys. Oh, it's so close. Wait. -3. Yeah. Oh, it's so close, but it's actually wrong. It's off by a minus sign. Hence, where did it mess up? I'm just curious. For spherically, thus this equals this, hence that. Did it just interpret the pressure incorrectly? Because the pressures are working in opposite... Well, let me think about that. Yeah, the pressures are working in opposite directions. So they should have a different sign. Oh man, O1 Pro was so close. It was the closest one to recognize you don't just integrate with this term, but it's just off by a minus sign there. So close, but no. It's the ones that got it right are Gemini, Flash Thinking Experimental, and DeepSeek-R1. They are the two that got it because you just have to, well, essentially this is the right. Oh wait, am I thinking something incorrectly? What happened here? Oh no. Yeah, so you have this because you have this thing minus that thing, so there's the 12 pi r squared p of r dr. Yeah, that's correct here with this. Oh man, none of the O3 models got it. Gemini doing it in a few seconds is impressive. Yeah, Gemini did it in like 19 seconds. That's pretty cracked. So, all right, guys. I think that's got to be it for me tonight. I am gonna be leaving for Southern California tomorrow very early, so I gotta get some shut-eye. Hopefully I can fall asleep now after all this excitement. But I thank you again for watching the stream. I don't even know how long it's been, but I appreciate you guys sticking around. I think this is the most people that have ever tuned into a stream, so I'm really grateful that you guys took the time to watch me do these tests and just hang around and chat. And so I will be back after this weekend, and I wish you guys a really good weekend and that you guys can get some rest and, you know, have fun with O3-mini if you get to have access to it anytime soon. So anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you with other videos, and I will be back. All right. Good night, everyone.